What noise does the duck make, Brandon? Good morning, everybody. We are starting today with a lot of just pure nonsense. The babies are up. The ducky fell off. What do you mean? That's what I thought she said. What took me so long? Because I heard you screaming, baby. And I was like, let me get brother. No, don't get brother. What fell off, baby? Your favorite duck. Is your favorite duck under the bed, or let's find her. Let's find duck. Dun 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 dun. Where is duck? Dun dun. Not under there. Dun dun. Where is duck? Dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Eva, do you know where duck is? Gonna investigate. You don't know? Let's find. Are you looking for? You got Daisy and Donald right there. You looking for bath time duck? Meanwhile. Oh, son. Oh, goodness, Glubnar. Oh, Glubnar. I'm so sleepy, mommy. Oh, goodness. It's okay. It's okay, fat man.
Mommy,
You found the ducky. Oh, right. High five. Your hands are so full. How are you going to give me a high five?
High
So we find a way. Good morning, Eva.
What is that?
It's a duck.
What noise does the duck make, Brandon?
Quack.
All the oatmeal, and now you're trying to eat your baby wipes? What a mess. What a mess, Papa. Yeah, you. Don't run off with that. Don't run off with that, brother. Brother. Give Mommy back the wipes, Glubnar. Said no, no thank you. I'm about to hop on your getaway vehicle. Get that out your mouth. Do other people's babies, do babies just... Let me see that. Why am I fighting with a 1-year-old? Oh my goodness. No, sir. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. And just like that, he's over. That I'm going to choose from today. If you know me, you know I do not enjoy... Right, I just said a lot. But I am more so like no jewelry, no rings. That's why I hardly ever wear my wedding ring, because I almost ripped my finger off when I was little and I wasn't listening to my mom. I almost ripped my finger off when I was wearing a ring. I remember it was a ring that was raised. I don't even know how to say. There's a pendant on the ring, sure, and it was a pearl, and like the pearl was the center part of a flower, and then like the flower was the part that was like raised and ribbed. Anyway, it got hooked onto the edge of a stand-up shower. Yeah, what was I doing, right? Modeling on the edge of the tub is so dumb. Anyway, it got hooked on the edge of the shower, and my finger legit went, and it was like hanging. I should have gotten stitches, but somehow either I got stitches and like just it was so traumatic that my memory blocked that out, or I didn't get stitches. But I do distinctly remember going to my cousin Mac's house and him having to very delicately cut the ring off of my finger. So I think my mom got the ring fixed and gave it back to me. But I
built a rocket in my basement. I'm gonna fly it to the moon. This supersonic is amazing. You're gonna feel my sonic boom. I'm flying higher and I'm never coming down. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me. We brought the funk into this function. We show up dressing to the nines. Okay. Never need an introduction. No matter what, we're feeling fine. I'm flying high and I'm never coming down. me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. Look at me now. I can't stop. I'm never giving up because I'm way too. Can't stop.
I'm not so sure brother wants to play. Are you trying to hug him or what are you doing? Oh. So I keep going back and forth with BoxyCharm because I feel like they should have like a skip a month option, but they don't. So every time you want to skip a month, you've got to cancel. So anyway, this is like my third time going back to BoxyCharm Premium, but this is my BoxyCharm from February, the premium one. So I'm still waiting for the other two to mail out. So I've got a premium for March and a premium for March that's coming, and I have a base box for March that's coming. So I should be getting 3 boxes this month since I ordered one at the end of the month. The boy's getting all sorts of stuff. I'm so excited, BoxyCharm. The boy is more excited about the wires than he is mommy's happiness. What are you doing? Oh. You weren't doing nothing? Yeah. You waiting for Daddy? Oh. Okay. I'm gonna pick you up, Gubnar. Yeah, and Evie's sleeping. And Daddy's at work. Okay. So let's get into it. This is our BoxyCharm Premium. I think I got an email that said that they already gave me something that's in this. So I don't know. They said it was packed with love. So we've got the Huda Beauty. Oh, the Bali Balm was the one that I've gotten before. That's okay because I gave it as a gift. So, let's see. You get 6 things. You got the Go Big or Go Home from Kat Von D. And you got the Tardiest Double Take Eyeliner. And I really love their eyeliners. I was actually just thinking about purchasing one of these earlier. Eva's playing with Elmo, right? Whatever. Then we got the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut. Ooh. This is a very weighted, very heavy. This is cleansing water, Blue Aura, Turmeric, and Holy Basil. That's exciting. Looks like the main ingredient is aloe vera, witch hazel. I'm questioning that one. But like I said, this is very heavy. It's glass. And we've got the mint, Pastels Mint from Huda Beauty. I feel like that's gonna be kind of chalky, but I like those colors. And then we've got the Elemis Peptide 4 Plumping Pillow Facial. I'm very excited about that. So if you want to see like what they look like out the packaging and the pricing and all of that, check out my reels. Check it out on Some Call It Vanity. Check out my reels on Some Call It Vanity if you are interested in February BoxyCharm.